Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. These tools will help you safely open the laptop and replace the charging port without causing any damage. First, power off your Lenovo 15 and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any electrical damage during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. T2 Tinto in the lens, the panel contour and interior issues. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around the edges. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could crack the casing. If you encounter resistance, double check for any screws you may have missed. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of the laptop. Locate the charging port, which is typically situated near the battery. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the area around the charging port with a soft brush or compressed air to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Now, carefully disconnect the charging port from the motherboard. This usually involves gently lifting a small latch or unscrewing a few screws that hold the port in place. If you find this process challenging, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Once the old charging port is removed, take your new charging port and align it with the connectors on the motherboard. Secure it in place by reversing the steps you took to remove the old port. Make sure it's firmly connected to avoid any future issues. After securing the new charging port, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Before putting the back panel on, double-check that all internal connections are secure and that there are no loose screws or components. If you're unsure about any step, keep in mind that we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop repaired without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple and convenient service. Now, carefully place the back panel back onto the laptop and reinsert all screws. Tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could strip the screws or damage the casing. Once everything is back in place, power on your laptop to test the new charging port. If it works correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the charging port on your Lenovo 15. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember that we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the cost involved before committing to any service. This way, you can make an informed decision about your laptop repair needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.